Good morning, friends, and welcome to Thursday. Today is February 25th, 2021. It is 2/25/2021. It is also day 96. And this is Dorothy Height right here. And Dorothy Height was an American civil rights and women's rights activist. She focused on the issues of African American women, including unemployment, illiteracy, and voter awareness. And these four little cherubs, again, are part of the Because of Them We Can organization. Please stand to salute our flag. Oh, and before you do, Dorothy Height said, when you're a Black woman, you seldom get to do what you just want to do. You always do what you have to do. Think about that. All right, boys and girls, please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please join me in reciting the Aborn School Pledge. I respect myself. I respect others. I respect my learning environment. I am ready to learn. Please be seated for the morning announcements. Short today, boys and girls. Tomorrow we celebrate this week's OWLS Students of the Week. So, what have you done this week to inspire others? Let's take a look at this young lady, Michaela Ulmer, and let's see what inspires her.
So as part of our week-long series, Teen Titans, we have been highlighting the very best and brightest of the next generation. And the focus of today's story is a 13-year-old businesswoman who is creating a lot of buzz with her product. Check her out.
Do you like it?
Michaela Ulmer might be just 13, but she's all business.
These are ginger, these are mint, and these are iced tea.
This teen knows how to handle customers with ease.
Thank you.
What's she selling? Lemonade.
And all of our flavors are healthy and they're fun and functional.
When Michaela was just 4 years old, she was stung by 2 bees in the same week, which led to her fascination with bees. Using her great Granny Helen's cookbook, she found a way to bring attention to how important bees are to our planet by using a little bit of honey.
It was like this old, tattered cookbook, and there were strings coming out, and the covers were falling off. And I was like, what am I going to do with this cookbook? And then we started flipping through some pages, and I found this recipe, so we tried making it, and it tasted really good. And that's when I decided, what if I take that flax lemonade, sweeten it with honey, and that could be my company.
Now, the Austin, Texas native is the CEO of Me and the Bees Lemonade, a business she started with one single lemonade stand.
I started selling it twice a year, and I kept on doing that for a little while until someone from a pizza shop was like, hey, if you can bottle your lemonade and put a label on it, we'll carry it in our store.
When was the last time you tried something so good and refreshing and wondered, could this be good for me?
By 2015, she secured a $60,000 investment from Shark Tank's Daymond John, helping her business take flight.
Want to try some?
But for Michaela, it's more than just lemonade. It's about bringing buzz to an important topic.
Bees pollinate 1 out of every 3 bites of the food we eat. They contribute over $16 billion to our agricultural economy a year. And so a lot of people don't realize how important that they were and that they're dying.
According to a recent study, more than half of the bees in North America are declining due to loss of habitat and pesticide use.
I am afraid that the bees will die.
Her message is simple. Buy a bottle, save a bee. She partners with local beekeepers and even donates a portion of her profits to help sustain hives. Today, Me and the Bees Lemonade is available in more than 350 Whole Foods and Wegmans stores across the country.
I realized that this could be a company that was national, that I could actually empower people to help save bees.
The lesson Michaela shares is that when life stings you, make lemonade.
Don't be discouraged by life's little stings. Get back up and spread your wings.
How much do you...
So I hope you enjoyed that. And there's a really good message in there because we do need our honeybees to pollinate lots of our food and lots of the plants that help us provide oxygen in the world. So believe in yourself. You can do it. I know you can. Don't forget, if it doesn't challenge you, it doesn't change you. Wishing everybody a wonderful day.